So this is Three Doors Airdrop, and it is the first DePIN project on Sui Blockchain, just as we have Grass Network, NodePay, and others. So this is Three Doors. For you to participate in this, all you simply have to do is to click on link. Make sure you are opening it on your Mrs. browser, or you can use a laptop, for instance. After this video, I'm going to switch mine to my laptop. So I'm just doing this video for the sake of you guys that are using phone. So when you click on the link, it should open up in your Mrs. browser. This one is opening on my Chrome. I have a reason for opening it up. I just want to show you how the registration interface looks like. So as you can see, once it opens up, this is what you're going to see. You can register it either your Google, your Twitch, or you can put in your details here one by one with your email and the likes. But as for me, I registered with Google. So make sure you're registering with any of this method, and this is the referral code. So if this code is not here automatically, you can copy it and paste. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm going to switch from my Chrome into my Mrs. browser and show you how it looks like. So when you register, this is how your dashboard should look like. If you register normally with your email and you set a password, they should ask you to verify your email address. So you go ahead and do the verification. They're going to send the code to your email, blah, 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 just like that. So once that is out of the way, this is how it is going to look on your screen here. As you can see, this is a generate API key button here. But the first thing you need to do is to install the Three Doors extension. That is the minor extension. That is the first thing to do. So I'm going to click on this dashboard and look for where to install this extension. So you see, I couldn't find it. So what I did was to switch my browser to desktop mode. After switching it, you can see at the top of the screen here, it has now shown download extension. So let me zoom it in so you see what is there. Look at download extension. So what you basically have to do now is to click on that download extension. This can only work if you are using Mrs. or Kiwi browser, or you're doing it on your system. Then you'll be able to download this extension. So once you come here, you click on this add to Chrome, and then I'll wait for the extension to get installed. Let me go ahead and accept this. All right, the extension have been added to my extension list. And if you look at the top of my screen, look at this little extension button here. So wait, if I click on that button now, you can see this is the Three Doors network extension. So the next thing is to go back, and this is how you get to connect the extension to the Three Doors dashboard. You first of all have to generate an API key, and look at the button here boldly displaying. So I'll click on this generate API key. An API key has been generated for me. You can see this is it. So the next thing is to go ahead to copy this API key. After copying it, I'll tap on that extension button, and then I head into the Three Doors network. Yes, then you click on this login, not register. So here I will enter the API key and apply. So let me apply. All right, you can see it has been applied, my total reward and everything. So that's basically how you get to do it. So you see this button here, it is showing connected, meaning I have connected it successfully. So that is basic thing. Now I'll go ahead and exit from this extension. There are other tasks that are on these Three Doors that you have to complete. So if you scroll up here, you can see here they are telling me to follow them on X. Look at the first task, and you can see it is time limited. So you go ahead and click on that to follow them on X. If you zoom again, you can see this one is to follow them on Discord, and then the last one is to follow them on Telegram. So you basically have to complete those three tasks. These are the important things, and here your progress, your rewards, you can be tweeting it on Twitter every day. I don't know if there's a reward for that. This is just the basic thing you have to do on these Three Doors here. And like I said, it is the first DePIN project on Sui blockchain, so it should cook. It should cook. The first DePIN project I did was Grass, and Grass did well massively. So for you to be able to refer people, you have to come at the top of the screen here. Look at this right hand side, this menu displaying. You can click on this referral program, and then you go ahead and pick your referral link from this page. Look at the referral code, then you can start referring people. Also, you can go to this earn more points to earn more points. So they'll give you this task. Look at the Twitter task I was telling you earlier, the Discord task, and this is where they're going to be dropping any task they want you to do that is not mining. So you go ahead and complete each of these tasks to boost your earning. So this is just the basic thing here. Nothing complicated about this airdrop. If you want to get the maximum out of it, make sure you're using your PC, but your phone should still work. You just have to be connected to the internet. So this is all there is to it. Make sure you go and hop on this update right now.